Evan, I'm concerned about Mr. Paul's progress in physiotherapy. He seems to be struggling with the exercises, and his mobility hasn't improved significantly.
That's interesting. Have you tried adjusting the exercises or using different techniques, Mihira?
Yes, we've tried various approaches, but he's still having difficulty. I'm wondering if there might be an underlying issue affecting his recovery.
Perhaps we should consult with a neurologist to rule out any neurological factors. Sometimes, underlying conditions can hinder rehabilitation progress.
That's a good idea. I'll schedule a referral. In the meantime, we could try incorporating occupational therapy techniques to address any functional limitations.
That's a great suggestion. Occupational therapy can help with activities of daily living and improve overall independence.
We should also consider the patient's motivation and emotional state. Sometimes, psychological factors can impact rehabilitation outcomes.
Absolutely, Mihira. We can involve a social worker to provide emotional support and address any underlying issues. Mihira, I understand how worrying it must be to come to the hospital and face an uncertain wait, especially when you're feeling unwell and just want to know what to expect. It's completely natural to want a specific time frame. I want to be honest with you, and that means I cannot give a definitive waiting time, not because your situation isn't important, but because it depends on several factors that can change. We have to care for everyone based on the urgency of their needs, so if a critical priority case arrives, they will be seen immediately. The availability of our doctors and whether a specialist opinion is needed can also affect the schedule. What I can reassure you about is that you have done the right thing by coming in early. The fact that you are experiencing bleeding is something we take very seriously, and it does elevate the priority of your situation. The presence of a foreign object also means your case needs a prompt assessment to prevent any further complications or discomfort. Please know that you are not just waiting in a queue. The team is aware of you, and your condition is being actively managed in the context of the entire department. We are here, and we will get to you just as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, my colleagues and I are close by. If you feel any change in your condition, if the pain increases, or if you have any concern at all, please do not hesitate to let me know immediately. You are not in this alone.